How to start preparing for Section A of the LNAT. Whilst you can't exactly revise the content for the LNAT, the earlier you start practicing, the better. I started practicing around the end of August, but properly in September, and I sat it around the 11th of October. When I first started, I was maybe doing one extract a week, and then when it got to September closer, I was trying to do 3 times a week, and then eventually every day around the 2 weeks before. When you're reading a practice LNAT extract or any opinionated piece of writing, ask yourself 3 things. 1, what is the main argument that the author is trying to make? 2, are there any assumptions made? And 3, what are the sub-arguments that the author is making? Thinking about questions like these will start getting you in the mindset you will need when answering the actual LNAT questions and answering multiple choice questions. There are lots of practice questions on website, including the official LNAT one with a full mock paper, or there are lots of books that have practice questions. For example, I used the uni admissions one, which had hundreds of worked explanations, which I found really helpful in understanding why there was a particular answer. Try writing down any key explanations that are coming up or any patterns that you spot so you know for the future. It's really important as well that you try a bunch of different styles, so maybe you want to read the questions first and then the text, or vice versa. The thing that helped me the most was cross-referencing my answers. So whenever I had chosen whichever multiple choice one I wanted to, I then would look in the text and see where exactly can I find this and point to it, down to the words, as that can often catch students out. You have around 90 minutes to answer over 40 questions, so you need to get used to working out how much you should spend on each question and getting it within those timed conditions. Remember, the LNAT is testing your ability to think critically, so keep practicing and you will grow in confidence over time.